Welcome to Monday, November 9th and Tuesday, November 10th video lesson. We're going to jump right into the demonstration here. So in your physical notebooks, which you should have, because that's where all your do nows are, you're going to set your pages up like this. If not, set it up on a piece of paper. So we have 6 scenarios. The title is magnetic field. Scenario A, no magnet. Scenario B, simple bar magnet. C, 2 magnets, opposite poles end to end. D, 2 magnets, same poles end to end. E, 2 parallel magnets, opposite poles end to end. Side by side. F, 2 parallel magnets, same poles, side by side. So here we just have the simple bar magnet. Here we have opposite poles end to end. So I'm going to be demonstrating what's going on. You saw they just got pulled together. What's going on around these magnets? Okay. Here we have same poles end to end. Okay, what's going on here? Here is opposite poles side by side. See, they pulled together. What's going on around these magnets? Here, same poles side by side. So how we're going to see this is by using iron filings. Is where somebody just took a piece of metal and shaved it, and it kind of looks like pepper. So our first scenario is no magnet. So I've just sprinkled these on the paper. You see that it's totally random, no pattern here. So that's what we're going to draw. So it's totally random. So we just totally random around the page. Okay, so that's A. Okay, now we're going to go to B, a simple bar magnet. Sprinkle the iron filings, and this is what we get. Now we're seeing the magnetic, these are called magnetic field lines. They're all around the magnet. They go out into the space around the magnet. Okay, Earth has magnetic field lines. We could draw Earth around here, North Pole, South Pole, and it extends out into space. And these magnetic forces around the Earth protect us from the solar winds and such in space. So let's draw this one. Try to get the glare out. Okay. So that's B, simple bar magnet. You can see the lines of attraction. Okay. C, 2 magnets, opposite poles end to end. Look at this one. The iron filings are lining up here. They show the attraction. And I had these opposite poles. They get pulled in. That's what's happening here. They're pulling each other together. So let's draw that one. So we have those connections here. Okay? We can tell that opposite poles attract because we see the line, the magnetic field lines pulling the magnets together there. Okay, let's do D. This is 2 magnets, same poles, end to end. Look at here, what's going on? It's emptiness. Big difference. Opposites. This opposites. Now we have the same poles. And look, we can see the repulsive forces because we have empty space there. They're pushing away from each other. Okay, so they're pushing away from each other. So the iron filings, we can see the empty space. That shows repulsive forces at work. Okay, E. Two parallel magnets side by side, opposite. Again, the lines of attraction, opposites attract. Get those lines of attraction. Okay, that's for E. Okay, F. Two parallel magnets, same poles, side by side. Again, repulsive forces. We have an empty space here. Magnetic field. All right. So that's the first half of this activity. The second half, you should go to your classwork page, second quarter, magnetic field, click on your copy. Now, third hour, we have 4 questions here. Third hour stated, what was the purpose of station A no magnet? They were going to share their answer to show what no magnetic field looks like and then to compare it with the other magnetic fields. 2, how did the iron filing pattern show attractive forces? Well, that was seen in C and D. So what do you see? What are the iron filings doing? Attractive forces. What do you see the iron filings doing here? Look at that. Okay, that's number 2. 3, how did the iron filing patterns show repulsive forces? Okay, that would be D and F. Look at here. What pattern do you see? Okay, so number 3, use the direction of magnetic force shown on your diagrams to explain why the magnetic field is repelled or attracted. Okay, we can use C and D for that. Here's attraction. Why are they attracting? Here's repelling. Why are they repelling? Okay, attraction because of the magnets. Repelling because of the magnets. So I need you to take a picture of your diagrams, attach it with this document, and submit. And that is it for magnetic fields. Any questions? Make sure to contact me.